Okay, let's go.
Do you hear that?
What?
It's an elk!
No.
Okay, sorry. What was that, Rebecca? Look at how deep the hole is. Look how deep it is.
The temperate rainforest is way more productive than the tundra, but is still less productive than the tropical rainforest.
Give me that.
Oh shit! I just want to be a bug. Guys, if I was a bug, would you squish me?
Again, I thought she said bog. Are we ready
If I
now?
was a bug, would you squish me?
Sit yourself down.
We're too far away from my home.
Look up. Hooligans. We're hooligans.
Okay,
Report us.
dare you.
Temperate rainforests are located in North America. In North America, which is here.
I referenced myself. Okay. Drunk, but it's still less productive
I
than the
tried to
tropical
point, Wallace.
rainforest. Why? She ruined it.
No, I was trying to point
She
at
ruined
her.
it. I really want a
Don't
zebra cake. The largest one is zebra. Productive than the tropical rainforest.
Okay.
You should have known. I'm a dad.